A terrifying iron bull, but also becomes food for humans. Join us as we explore how farmers raise and process 1 million crocodiles. First, let's delve into how these reptiles thrive in the fearsome marshlands. Florida harbors the largest population of wild crocodiles in the United States, with 2 notorious predators, the American alligator and the goggle-eyed crocodile. The American alligator boasts impressive sizes, averaging around 4.3 meters in length and weighing up to 450 kilograms. This species dominates freshwater areas across the states. Smaller yet equally ferocious, the goggle-eyed crocodile typically reaches about 3 meters in length and weighs 135 kilograms. They favor brackish and saltwater environments along the southern coastline of Florida and the Keys. Crocodile hunting season in Florida spans from August to November each year, coinciding with their peak activity post-breeding season. To participate in this competition, hunters first need appropriate permits or credentials. Permit issuance is tightly controlled by the authorities to ensure ecological balance and sustain crocodile populations at a sustainable level. Do you have the courage to challenge yourself? Leave a number 1 if you dare feed the crocodile like this. Every day during the hunting season, thousands of Florida hunters embark on a thrilling journey on the waterways. Their target, the giant alligator, the sought-after prey in the state's suspenseful 11-week competition. What makes this hunt unique is its nocturnal nature, conducted aboard small boats. Pinpoint lights shine down onto the water's surface, scanning for glowing red eyes, a telltale sign of a lurking crocodile. Alligator hunting is a perilous yet thrilling activity that demands skill and courage. Alligators are carnivorous creatures and prey on various animals, including fish, poultry, and mammals. Among the hunting methods, baiting to lure prey with food is a popular choice. When a large alligator takes the bait, the real battle begins. To emerge victorious in this battle, anglers must employ skill and strategic tactics. They need to maintain a steady hand and coordinate seamlessly with teammates to control the fierce alligator. Thus, skill, concentration, and caution are crucial factors throughout the hunting process. After the hunting process, the captured crocodiles are transported from the marshlands to the meat market for consumption. Not only hunting, but crocodile farming has also become increasingly prevalent worldwide. According to statistics, in 2023, the global crocodile farming industry reached a value of over $5 billion, with further growth projected in the coming years. However, overfishing is a serious issue affecting many wild species, including crocodiles. Hand skinning techniques are no longer unfamiliar. With just a sharp knife, skilled craftsmen can delicately separate the crocodile skin. Have you ever been curious about the inner workings of a crocodile meat processing plant? Alligators are hoisted up on racks. Workers use specialized knives to skin them quickly and efficiently. Then the meat is separated, sorted, and processed according to different procedures. Have you ever experienced the unique flavor of crocodile meat? Crocodile meat can be prepared in various ways, including grilling and pan frying. It's a lean meat, high in protein and low in fat. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including selenium, zinc, and vitamin B12. Surely you'll want to own a classy fashion item made from crocodile leather by the end of this video. Crocodile leather is widely used to create high-end fashion products such as handbags, wallets, belts, shoes, and other accessories. With its unique grain and durability, crocodile leather brings a luxurious and distinctive style to these products. You've certainly never seen a python skin processing factory as sophisticated as this. Instead of using small, sharp knives, python skinning craftsmen use specialized knives designed specifically for this purpose. Careful handling is required to avoid tearing the leather, as damage will reduce its value. The python skin industry brings huge profits to people. Python skins are sold at high prices on the international market, creating a large source of income for python farmers. Raising pythons for skin is also an effective economic model, with low cost and quick profits. Python skin is extremely rare, expensive, and requires a lot of effort to care for and produce. One of the reasons why python skin is popular as a fashion accessory is because it's very durable and sturdy. It can withstand a lot of wear and tear, which is perfect for those who want to use their accessories every day. I heard that the most expensive handbag made from python skin can cost up to $200,000 US. This is proof of the special value of this type of leather in the fashion industry. If you don't watch this video, I'm sure you'll never believe that python skin can create expensive products like this. Have you ever used products made from python fat? Python fat contains large amounts of collagen, bringing beauty benefits to women. Using products containing these ingredients will help make your skin smooth, youthful, and full of vitality. For this reason, many cosmetics containing python-derived ingredients have been developed to rejuvenate women's health and beauty. To understand better, let's explore python farming with me. Have you ever witnessed the birth process of pythons? If not, this is something you shouldn't miss. After reproduction, fostering snake growth requires attention to conditions such as temperature and humidity. Therefore, the enclosure design needs to ensure coolness in the summer and warmth in the winter, as this reptilian species can perish when it's excessively hot or cold. Farmers will provide diverse and balanced diets and ensure they have enough clean drinking water. Did you know that in addition to crocodile and python skin, there's also another type of animal skin that can also be used to make million-dollar handbags? Let's find out this right here. As you may know, ostrich leather is known for its exceptional durability. It is extremely sturdy and naturally water resistant, allowing products made from ostrich leather to withstand the test of time and harsh conditions. With its natural beauty, strength, and versatility, ostrich leather has become a popular and valuable choice in the world of fashion and interior decoration. Its use in various products has gained considerable popularity. Its texture and unique appearance add a touch of elegance and luxury to any design. Have you ever heard of the renowned handmade bag manufacturer Hormiga? It's one of the leading brands in crafting high-quality emu leather bags. The prices of emu leather bags can range from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars per piece. The process begins with carefully selecting the finest emu hides, ensuring they're of high quality and free from defects. Next, the hides are treated and cleaned, removing any dirt or impurities. Their production process is carried out by skilled artisans and utilizes advanced technology, resulting in superior and unique products. The next step is the emu leather processing, where expert craftsmen cut and sew the hides into precise pieces. Not only emu leather, but also emu feathers are delicately produced and of high quality in the Klein Karoo region, located in South Africa. Established in the early 1800s, this facility has become one of the leading centers of the global emu feather industry. Here, you'll find unique feather creations such as boas, dresses, hats, and jewelry. To gain a deeper understanding, let's explore an emu farming facility together. Did you know? The giant bird, emu, has roamed the earth for over 100 million years. The emu is also the fastest bird on land, capable of running at speeds of up to 72 kilometers an hour. With their remarkable speed and gliding ability, how do farmers manage to train and raise them with ease? Emus are diverse, with many different species, mainly distributed in Central and East Africa, each species having minor differences in color and size. Overall, they are all remarkable inhabitants of the natural world, capturing the attention of researchers and nature enthusiasts with their beauty and unique characteristics. To have a high-quality emu farm, selecting the right breed is crucial. We need to choose breeds that are healthy, adaptable, and free from defects, with a body weight ranging from 0.8 to 1 kilogram per chick. By applying breeding techniques, breeders can optimize emu breeding. Emus can lay 10 to 20 eggs in their first year. To maximize productivity in ostrich farm management, farm owners have set up an efficient incubation environment to hatch healthy chicks. After about 36 to 45 days of incubation, the giant eggs will hatch into healthy ostrich chicks, bringing hope for a new generation of potential ostriches. After being raised in enclosed pens, they'll be transferred to larger farms where emus can roam freely, run, jump, and develop physically. Emus are omnivores. To ensure a balanced and nutritious diet for healthy growth, food for young emus includes grains, vegetables, grass, and even gravel and stones to aid digestion. Do you know that an emu only needs to be raised for about 10 months before it can be sold, weighing between 100 to 110 kilograms each? Therefore, the meat production capacity of emus is much higher than that of buffaloes and cows. Before embarking on the impressive journey to explore emu meat processing and handling facilities, let's marvel at a priceless nutritional treasure hidden within giant emu eggs. Emu eggs contain numerous highly nutritious components rich in protein, supporting muscle development and enhancing immunity. Would you like to own magnificent artwork made from these eggshells? Here, artisans with skilled hands and extraordinary creativity have transformed giant emu eggs into unique and stunning pieces of art on the surface of the eggshells. Looking at these artworks, one cannot help but appreciate the exquisite detail and lifelike realism that attracts attention from around the world. Let's explore emu processing and handling facilities. At these establishments, animal processing procedures are always carried out humanely and with respect, ensuring no harm or distress is caused to the emus. emu meat, the ingredient for unique dishes, adding diversity and excellent flavor to your culinary menu. Not only satisfying the palate with its deliciousness, emu meat dishes also provide numerous nutritional benefits. Have you ever used products made from deer? Do you know where the world's largest paradise for deer hides is? New Zealand is the home to giant red deer herds, with over 1.2 million deer raised on 3,000 vast farms. With ample grazing areas spread across the vast landscape, it creates a completely natural farming environment. At deer farms, herds are cared for and nurtured through natural, free-range grazing on vast grasslands. However, to ensure the healthy growth of the deer and highest quality hides, farmers still supplement their diet with grains. On average, a deer can yield between 100 to 300 kilograms of hide, but this depends on the species and its size. When the hide reaches the desired size and quality, it'll be harvested. To ensure safety for both the deer and the handlers, the deer will be gently restrained or anesthetized during the harvesting process. Next, the deer hide is processed, boiled, and dried to remove some fluids and impurities. Then the deer hide is dried using modern drying methods, which help shorten the drying time and ensure the deer hide reaches its best quality. After harvesting, deer hide is sliced into thin sheets, approximately half a millimeter thick. Subsequently, the hides are carefully dried once again to ensure quality. Finally, they're boxed and labeled with complete information before being delivered to customers. In the heart of Asia, a tradition spanning thousands of years in frog farming, harvesting, and processing has shaped a unique and fascinating narrative within the industry. Did you know that Vietnam is considered one of the leading countries in frog exports worldwide? With its diverse agricultural economy and a variety of natural conditions, frog farming has become a notable industry, providing stable income for many households and farming communities. Starting a frog farm is actually a great idea. Do you know why I say that? For only 10 cents, you can own a frog. That means if you want to start a frog farm, you only need to invest about $80 initially. Now, isn't that amazing? Please comment number 1 if you want to own a frog farm. Male frogs are injected with a medication to expedite the mating process. Afterwards, they're released into separate tanks previously prepared. The mating process of frogs typically commences when male frogs emit distinct calls or vocalizations to attract female frogs. When a female frog is enticed, it approaches the male frog, and they mate, with the male embracing the female from behind. In this position, the male frog releases sperm to fertilize the eggs as the female lays them. Each time, they can lay anywhere from a few dozen to several thousand eggs, depending on the specific species. After laying eggs, the female protects them with a gelatinous layer to keep them moist and safeguarded. On average, it takes about 1 to 3 weeks for frog eggs to hatch into tadpoles. As they mature, they undergo a process of metamorphosis, transitioning to where they develop lungs, lose their tails, and grow legs. At this stage, they've developed both lungs and limbs, but are still smaller and less developed than adult frogs. Farmers often separate young frogs into different tanks or pens as part of the frog farming process. Do you know why they do this? This separation serves several purposes, such as managing frog growth, monitoring health, preventing overcrowding, and providing optimal conditions for their development. People clean the tank walls, surfaces, and other equipment to prevent algae and bacterial buildup. Commercial frog feed typically utilizes high-quality ingredients to ensure optimal nutrition. These components may include fish meal, soybean meal, various grains, vitamins, minerals, and other essential additives for the frog's health and development. The feed pellets are designed to float on the water surface, allowing both female and male frogs easy access. The frequency and quantity of feeding depend on the frog species, age, and developmental stage. The frog harvesting process is a professional and meticulous task undertaken by dedicated farmers. When the frogs reach the desired size or developmental stage, the farmers carefully catch them by placing them in mesh bags. Each bag is designed to hold around 15 to 20 kilograms of frogs. I really don't understand why many people find this dish disgusting. Perhaps they haven't had the chance to taste it. Trust me, if you try this delicious frog just once, you'll definitely change your mind. The processing of frog legs is carried out meticulously. Frog finished products are washed and soaked in a cold water tank with a temperature less than or equal to 7 degrees Celsius to remove all remaining blood on the frog finished products. Workers trim the frog finished products with scissors, removing remaining skin, internal organs, and external blood stains. The baskets are then transferred to the IQF freezing line, where workers arrange the finished products sparsely and reasonably on the line. The temperature of the finished products after freezing must reach less than or equal to minus 18 degrees Celsius. They can then be packaged and sent to the market. Let's continue our journey to another unique farm. Have you ever imagined yourself becoming a snail farmer? Join us in France to see how they raise these fascinating creatures. Join us on a journey to France to discover how they nurture snails. Snails typically lay eggs at night on moist soil provided by the farm. Each clutch will contain approximately 10 to 100 eggs. The eggs are then harvested and transferred to small boxes to be taken to the incubation area. These eggs are very delicate and prone to damage, so you need to handle them gently and carefully to avoid breaking the shells, which could affect the baby snails when they hatch. After about 2 to 3 weeks old, all the baby snails will begin to hatch. At this stage, each snail farming area is enclosed with a fence. The breeding snails are then evenly distributed among the cultivation areas. Once they've acclimated to their living environment, these snails will primarily feed on green vegetables. Providing supplementary wooden boards becomes crucial for their care. These boards serve as safe shelters and help retain moisture, creating the ideal humid environment for the snails. Supplying additional wooden boards is essential for proper snail care. These boards not only offer secure hiding spots, but also help maintain moisture levels, fostering an optimal humid environment for the snails. Once snails reach a size of 3 to 5 centimeters, they are ready for harvesting. In outdoor farms, harvesting is a straightforward process, just involves flipping over the wooden boards.